Morning. It's our first sea day, and so this is very early. I think it's like 8 o'clock. About to get dressed and go down and get some breakfast. It was so good out here. It's not cold like it was in New Orleans. Yeah. Gonna get dressed and I'm gonna go to brunch. I might just gonna go to camp today, so I mean, next time you see me, I'll look like somebody. And not like I just woke up. Good morning, Amari.
Good morning.
Joseph. Ahmad.
Good morning. Amari's ugly.
Ahmad, that's not nice. Let me see your outfit. Oh, model for me. Come on. Right here, y'all.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, here we go. Thank you. What the salmon?
What are you trying to do?
You put it in. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Oh.
What you getting, Ahmad? Nah, let me see the bag. All right. So we walked and walked. Just came from Carnival Trivia. All these greens are spilling out.
They dripping on your clothes?
Yeah. And we decided to come get some barbecue. Johnny's.
Hey! Hey! About to eat some more.
She's so greedy.
And it's the truth.
So loud.
I know. Calm.
So
Can't take me nowhere.
Joy gonna kill me. This one is here. I mean, I didn't plan to come, but we was just walking.
Oh my god. Here's beef. Right here. You get up close and personal. This mine. Give me your own.
Mine. You should look cute.
Get him. I know you're not vlogging. What was the beans?
You know they're closing, so they probably out. You ain't missed nothing.
You really did. I promise you. On the barbecue here?
No, on the beans.
Oh.
Alright, I come back in the room, and the boys left me a message saying they are at the water slide. So I wanted to come in here and relax, but I guess I'll go meet the guys at the water slide and see what they're doing. Oh, I could just relax on my own balcony. I don't know. Decision. But yeah, that's why it's such a good idea to have one of these dry erase boards. And yeah, I got an extra set of markers. I paid $1 for this. And this is just what we use to leave each other messages. The message before this, I left them saying that I had went to Harry Potter trivia and that I had went to my mom's room. So I'll leave a message now saying on my way to the slide. Because my daughter's also walking around with her friends. So just in case she comes to the room and she doesn't see us, she'll know where to find us as well. So I'll check back in later. Found the boys. I'm out.
What's up?
Joseph. He's mad because I told him I cheated on him with the barbecue.
Look at my fidget spinner.
He got a fidget spinner. He got stepped out on the marriage, yo. So we heading back up to
You see that?
find my mom.
Bella.
I should have bought the GoPro. I know you lying. What are you looking at me like that for? Look at him. Sipping. Children didn't abandon us.
Drinking the dream.
She don't drink a dream.
Today I am. Here is to all of you all back on land. Because we out here at sea.
In the middle.
In the middle of the sea.
Turn around.
Turn around. Let me look at the sea.
Let me see.
See?
We're in the middle of the sea.
The sea. The sea.
Down by the sea.
Down by the sea.
What's the rest of it? The beautiful sea. The beautiful sea.
Taking pictures, and now we're waiting for dinner.
I'm killing it though. I don't care what y'all say.
My son, Amad, is so handsome. A lot of people keep complimenting him. He's so humble. Well, kind of. Because half the time people compliment him, he say, I know. Like, really, Amad? I did do a good Reddit with me. These lashes off. I can't remember the name of these lashes, but
That's nice.
That was nice, y'all. Come on, Daddy. No, go ahead. They got broad romaine, lobster tail.
Come on. Smile. Can't stand him.
Look at these. Look at Riley.
She looking real Chinese. This is the end result. Joy's still working on his.
Prime rib, lobster, shrimp,
I already had like 3
salmon.
plates. I might actually ate tonight, y'all.
I have broccoli.
I ain't got time to say shit. This here made me say a prayer.
I just had the lobster.
Don't be trying to make us look like we greedy.
Yo, I had 1 plate.
Friends, and your waist staff is going to dance for you tonight.
Back in the room. I don't think I touched bases and told you guys this, but my zipper on my dress and my daughter's dress broke. So my mom had to sew us in our dresses. So Joseph just cut me out my dress. We got both of our dresses from New York and Company actually. My room is a mess. Yeah, so. But yeah, so I'm gonna change clothes now because festivities are over and put on something more comfortable and see what we get into tonight. The kids are both going out. That sounds so strange, but I'm at a little kitty camp. It's having like a night owls type thing, and Amari Circle C or whatever her age group it is, they're having a little prom. So she kept her dress clothes on, so that Ahmad, and they're going out with their friends. So I'm gonna change, Joseph's gonna change, and then I think we're going to a comedy show and or a Motown Sharia thing. So I'll check back in with y'all a little later.
Team 2, last chance. Here we go. Ooh, that was nice. Wow, okay, team 1.
Hey guys, I'm back in the room. I'm about to end the vlog. The kids are out and about with their friends. About to get ready for bed, take this makeup off, and get ready for Cozumel tomorrow.